Happy Diwali, everyone. May all your dreams and wishes come true on this festival of light. Isn't it a great idea to start this day by making some sweet, distributing with your family and friends? True. So let's start this day by making a special Karnataka style Mysore Pak which just melts in your mouth. And I'm very excited to share with you all that my new videos are coming every Friday. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. So to make this special Mysore Pak, I am taking 2 cups of besan or gramflour. You need to dry roast it in low flame until it turns aromatic. It takes almost 15 minutes to do this, and you have to make sure it is in sim. You can do it without this roasting also, but by roasting it, the flavor, the taste will be, it is next level. Now sieve it to remove any lumps if there are. It is very simple to make this Mysore Pak. Now add 1 cup of melted ghee and mix it to get a lump-free mixture. All it needs is base gramflour, ghee and sugar, all in equal quantity. Now to make a sugar syrup, I am taking 2 cups of sugar. Add half a cup of water. Let the sugar melts and bring it to boil to get a single thread consistency. Once it starts boiling for a minute, put the sugar between your fingers and try to stretch it. It should form one string without breaking it. That is the perfect consistency. Now reduce the flame to sim. Add the ghee and the gram flour mixture and keep mixing it. We have used 1 cup of ghee in this mixture already. While mixing, you can notice the gram flour is getting thickened and the ghee is absorbed. Now add 1/4 cup of ghee and keep mixing. You have to keep stirring continuously. So heavy bottom non-stick pan is preferable to make this recipe. It absorbed again, so add another 1/4 cup of melted ghee and keep repeating the process. So I have added 3 batches of 1/4 cup ghee now. So now you can see it's all coming together. I'm adding my 4th batch of 1/4 cup of ghee. That means I have added 2 cups of ghee. Now it is separated from the pan and all coming together in one piece as a one lump. This is the perfect consistency we need. It took almost 20 minutes to get this consistency. Another way to check is if you make a small round ball, it shouldn't stick to the fingers. That means it is done perfectly. Now let's grease the square or a rectangular pan. Add parchment paper, grease it little bit, transfer our Mysore Pak to the pan, pat it so that there won't be any air gaps, level it and let it cool for 3 hours in room temperature. You can make the Mysore Pak by adding not less ghee also, but it won't be as tasty as soft. Now it's been 3 hours. Loosen the edges and remove this parchment paper and cut it to the desired shape you want. This is so easy and the taste will be, you will be just amazed. It just melts in your mouth. It is such a wonderful recipe. to try on this special festival of light. So please do try this recipe on this festival season and let me know how it came. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please share with your family and friends and everyone. Be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.